day 6 of trying to make 30,000 rand before 25 December 2024. So as you all know, we're trading the 100K phase 1 account and we're up 3%. So let's continue trading it and see what's the level today. So here we have the 4-hour time frame of gold. Don't let this confuse you. This is gold, but I analyze on this gold, then I trade on this one. Let me show you. I trade on this one. As you can see, it's the same chart, but I just do my analysis on this one so that I can keep that one fresh. I just do my analysis on this one. So yeah, man, let me remove everything so we don't get confused. Let me do this. So yeah, as you can see here, let me just look here first. As you can see here, we have a gap here, and we have this double bottom here. There's a gap below and a double bottom, so the market will be looking to take this low here. Liquidity is resting there because of the double bottom that is formed plus the gap, so there's liquidity here. So let me just put everything back on the chart. I just wanted to explain here so that you don't get confused. So yeah, that's the thing right here. Hopefully you don't get confused. You just follow this, what you call this arrow right here. So as you can see, price swap liquidity here and displays lower, left a fair value gap here and a fair value gap that broke this. I don't want to confuse you. Let me just be simple. Basically here what's happening is price is retesting in this fair value gap. As you can see, there's also a gap here, a smaller gap here. It's a volume imbalance, as you can call it, but it's a new week opening gap, but you can call it a volume imbalance. So it came inside there, tested. Right now it's retracing here. It's on Monday. Let me just move to the 1 hour to explain it more clearly. So yeah, here we're on the 1 hour. As you can see on the 1 hour, we took out this high here, made a retracement back inside, left the fair value gap of the 4 hour. Here I marked it as a 4 hour inverted fair value gap because I'm using this one instead of this one that formed here on the 4 hour. If you can just go back and you'll see there's a fair value gap here and this side, so I'm using this side. So price came back and touched inside this volume imbalance here, this gap here. As you can see, it touched here, retraced back. Now it's now it's making a correction here. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. As you can see, we have sell side here, relative equal lows here, this double bottom here. So what I'm waiting for, price, I'm anticipating price when it opens right now at midnight. Right now, as you can see here, it's around 1 a.m. in New York time. This is not SA time, it's New York time. So what I'm anticipating right now, what is going to happen is price going to try to make a Judas swing. Judas swing basically meaning a false move. It's going to try to go up to make traders think that the price will go up so that you can reverse somewhere here. If you can reverse on this gap, you can reverse here. And if you can go as high as to reverse here, it's no problem. Just wait for it to reverse here. But what I'm anticipating is there's a liquidity resting here, plus this gap. As you can see, there's a void. There's no trade took place here. So the market will be looking to fill this gap. So what I'm anticipating, let me just show you the arrow here. So what I'm anticipating is price when it opens here, it goes here. If you can go here to take out this high, that will be perfect. Then give us something like a displacement lower, and then you can go down to take out this lows. Maybe there will be chopping, just moving a straight line, but this is what I'm anticipating, for it to go up to break this high, fill this gap, because it left a gap as well here. As you can see, fill this gap as well, then displace lower to give us our buy and sell side. So that's what I'm seeing on gold. This is the 1 hour time frame. So I'll just update you if anything happens. Now I'm gonna analyze Nasdaq now. So here guys, this is the Nasdaq right here. It's NQ 1 hour time frame. Don't let this confuse you. Remember, I use this one to trade, this one to analyze, and this one to trade. So you see, this one is clean. There's no lot of things going on here. And yesterday we caught a beautiful movement here, hit TP, and I closed it manually. I closed it above here, somewhere here. So yeah, here's where I trade, but here's where I do my analysis. So basically what I'm seeing here on the 4 hour time frame is been going up quite good, but in a rangy form, but it's been going up in a correction form. But right now what I'm seeing here is we have this relative equal low highs here. This relative equal highs shows me that the market will be willing to sweep at least above here. If it wants to go down or do anything else, it has to firstly sweep this highs here. And we have this high here. This is a long-term high. This is the highest high. So what I'm seeing is the market, but the thing is we have a fair value gap here. You see this 4 hour fair value gap. Let me remove this one. It's no longer necessary for now. we have this 4-hour fair value gap, but it's a long one. It's a long fair value gap, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grade it. If I can just grade it, let me show you with the Fibonacci right here. Then I mark the low of the fair value gap and the high, the low and the high. So as you can see, I've graded the fair value gap. We have 75% level, 50% level, and 25% level. What I'm expecting, if prices to go down, it has to at least make a 10 on the 75 or the 50, so it can't go below 50. And the market, how the market strong it is from yesterday, I can see it going on the 75% if it's to go down, or I can create maybe a consolidation here so that it can go up to take out this high, long-term high here. So that's what I'm expecting on Nasdaq. So I don't need to go to the lower time frame because there's nothing that is going on right now. Let me just go to the 1 hour, but there's nothing going on right now. I can see there's a lot of traffic here. That's why the market is failing to pass here. So as you can see, it's consolidating here. Let me just remove things. I don't want you to get confused. I don't forget the line. The line I'll explain later. As you grow as a channel, I'll explain what these lines mean, what and what not. As you can see, it reverses on these lines. As you can see, it's rejecting on these lines. So I'll explain these lines later as we grow as a channel. So yeah, right now it's consolidating here. I can see it going up from here, but before it can go up from here, it has to do something like try to make the traders think that it's going low because it made a double bottom. Or if you can remember, I show you this relative equal lows, this one and that one over there. So we can fool traders to think that it's going down so that it can go up. So that's what I'm expecting here. Let me just mark the opening of today, the midnight open. Just want to make the midnight open. So yeah, as you can see, this is the midnight open. If it can go up also, it can also do something like this. If it wants to go on that fair value gap I showed you on the 4 hour, you can also do something like this. Sweep those highs, then come back inside, then go retest the 4 hour fair value gap like this. You can do something like that, or you can come and sweep this, then go up to take out the all-time high. So that's what I'm expecting. So yeah, man, I'll just update you, but I'm likely to trade gold than Nasdaq. And this, if I trade gold, it means this video I won't upload it.
Yes. Yeah, OCOEE. On the phone, cause the labels wanna know me. Got the Lord leading me, that's why I'm moving slowly. Asking what my vision is, I gotta keep it holy. I don't need a bunch of people around me acting phony. Living young and married, it be growing me. No one know me better than you knowing me. Except the one that they put on a rosary. By my side, I know that you'll forever be. By my side, never leave. By my side, I know that you'll forever be.
A few moments later.
Yeah. By my side, I know that you'll forever be. By my side, never leave. By my side, I know that you'll forever be. Lord, you know I wanna spend eternity. All the late nights I was burning leaves. Thank you for the life you delivered me from. Back then I was living like I didn't need. Chasing women that don't really mean you teeth.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah guys, we're back at it. We just took a loss, so now we're back with it. So what I'm seeing, I just analyzed the chart right now. So what I'm seeing right here is I'm seeing price broke out this, it created a, what you call this, reclaim fair value gap. So I'm expecting price to come at least to this, below this low. If it can just touch below this low, is where I'm gonna enter. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna enter. You just have to miss me, or I might just improvise. Let me see something. I might just enter somewhere here at the 50%, as you can see here. I might enter somewhere here, then put the stop loss here. Let me just do it right now and show you what I mean. I might enter here, just put the stop loss here. It's crazy because price just knocked us out and took a direction after he just took us out, bro. That is crazy. But it's all good though. And we tried to enter cells and he just took us out again, which is amazing because it's not a problem, bro. So right now I'm just waiting for any candle to come and touch here. After I touch here, put entry here, stop loss here, TP is above, has to take out this highs here. So yeah, man, I'll just update you when I enter.
A few moments later.
Yeah, as you can see, guys, we failed to enter. Price just came down a bit but failed to tap us in. It just reversed like with a few pips here just to go and hit our TP. Even our TP is not here, it's just above here, so it's okay though. We missed the trade, it's okay though. Just try to enter, look for a trade maybe around 10 a.m. in New York session, New York time, maybe around 10. Yeah, that's not a problem. I think that's what we'll do. Let me check Nasdaq real quick. Okay, I think we'll enter Nasdaq around 10. It's gonna give us a, let me see something. Yeah, I think we're gonna enter Nasdaq around after 10, around 10, after the new year, the opening bell. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'll just update you.
A few moments later.
Know you staying down if you never see you. By my side, I know that you'll forever be. By my side, never leave. By my side, I know that you'll forever be. By my side, I know that you'll forever be. By my side, never leave. By my side, I know that you'll forever be. By my side, I know you'll be. By my side, I know you'll be by my side. Lord, I need you by my side. Lord, I need you by my side. Lord, I need you by my side. By my side, I know that you'll forever be. By my side, never leave. By my side, I know that you'll forever be.